And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time pedal and little microphone show. My name is Gabor.
Hey, welcome along. I'm Alex. We're going to check out the Tula mic today. It's a little USB mic, bunch of features. But if you could hit like and subscribe on the channel first, give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. That'd be great.
Yes, please. First off, just want to say a big thank you to the awesome people at Studio Connections here in Australia, who are the Australian distributors for this, who sent us this. So the Tula mic, it's a tiny little mic. It looks like this.
Quite small.
It has a little built-in stand, so you can
stand it up.
You can take that off too, and like we did here, it comes with a mic stand connectorizationizer. Technical term.
Engineer.
Yeah, it's a little battery powered, but also USB powered. So there's a USB-C connection in the back, and that's how you can see that here. You've got it connected here like that. It has internal memory, so you can actually, that's all you need. You have to, all your transport controls are on the side. I might do a close-up photo of that stuff. You can actually record internally for up to 12 hours at 48K 16-bit, and then transfer files via USB. Or you can connect it like we did today. You can connect it to a computer, you can connect it to anything with USB, but we thought just for something on the go, you could connect it to your iPad or your phone as well. Now, just want to also mention the cable that we use here, which is, it says USB-C on the back to Lightning here, is not provided, so that's a separate cable. It comes with a USB-C to USB cable.
Yep.
But not this particular.
Yeah, this one line. It's kind of an experiment to see if it worked with the iPad, and it does nicely.
Yeah.
All the transport and volume stuff works with GarageBand, so you can set mic gain and things like that. The headphone out is good for monitoring.
Yep.
And so basically we just set up a very simple session on GarageBand. It's whatever the, what's it called, vocal voice preset is.
Yeah, yeah.
So I believe there's just a little bit of reverb, some tiny bit of compression. That's about it as far as we know. And we're just going to put a guitar track down.
Let's.
Now we're just using it in the cardioid mode. You can set it to Omni if you're, say, doing an interview or
you're a bluegrass band?
Podcasting or a bluegrass band.
Well, yeah, this is perfect also for podcasting, yeah. Because, you could even almost use it as a...
Yeah, interview.
Interview mic. I guess you have...
Field recorder.
Yeah.
Also great for things like Zoom, conference calls, internet audio in and out. And it can be basically your whole... almost like a sound card because of the headphone
is on there as well, yeah. So it's basically just a small, portable, not massively expensive, comes in pretty colours like red. This is sort of what a pastel-y kind of greeny, surf green kind of colour. It comes in black and white. So it comes in different colours as well.
That scratching noise is the dog, by the way.
There's a dog here.
She's helping.
She's itching to record some tracks.
Just wait for what it says. Yeah, we're just going to put guitar track down and see what happens. I'll grab my headphones.
Let's. So that's just connected via USB straight into the Lightning port here on the iPad, straight into GarageBand, which is free. So everything we're using to record with is free.
Yep.
He's just sticking some headphones on so he can hear himself play and hear what it sounds like.
From now on, we'll hear the microphone.
I reckon leave it on and see what it sounds like now. So this is us talking now. So we're sitting in a room, I'm about, like a metre and a bit away from it. Just see what it sounds like.
You could do, if you have maybe something like Ableton or something, maybe GarageBand does it, I'm not sure, I don't use it a lot. If like some sort of sample bill, you could get some like sample some drums or things and make your own beats.
Well, I think there's a whole bunch of that stuff in GarageBand as it is.
Probably is now.
Yeah.
Never use it. So there's all sorts of things you can use it for, really. Just anytime you need audio.
Let's press stop now. So there's a track that we recorded. Yeah, I mean, it's a super simple, portable little microphone. It sounds pretty good. I mean, from what we kind of did, sort of test recordings here, it sounded pretty cool.
Yeah, that sounds great.
And especially, yeah, if you're sort of on the go a lot and you want something that you can take with you that is battery powered as well, that technically you don't even have to connect this to it. We just thought this is a bit more of a visual way of actually seeing that you're recording something. And lots of people have an iPad, lots of people have iPhones, you have recording software that's free on it, you may as well use it. Yep. It gives you the option of multi-tracking and building beats and all that stuff like Alex was saying before.
One thing these have going over them is they look super cool. There's lots of USB microphones on the market now. These have this super cool sort of retro
kind of 50s kind of thing going.
Yeah, especially with the surf green colour. And
it's
the
like
reds.
those, the talk show, when you watch the Tonight Show and stuff, they always have one of those mics there. I don't think they probably use those mics at all. They're just there for show, but, it's that kind of thing. They do have built-in noise reduction as well. And made by, was it Clevgrand? Clevgrand, who makes some cool plugins. So,
side note, go check out the plugins if you're into recording.
Did I ever do I think there's a video, I used some Clevgrand stuff. I'll link to it here.
Yeah. Comments, questions below. We don't have these forever, so we can't do lots of tests.
No.
They are going back to the distributor to share around. So I'm sure check out the website if you need finer details, but thanks for hanging.
Yeah, thank you so much. And big thank you again to Studio Connections in Australia for sending this out to us. Check them out. They're pretty cool little mics.
Thumbs up. Cheers.
Bye.
See ya.